Hello all and welcome to this video. We are going to be learning about if statements. If statements allow our programs to make decision and that decision will be depend upon a boolean expression. So for suppose we want to create a software and that software is related to a particular person. So the name of that person is Shyam. Now we want to check that whether the Sham is opening the software or not. So we are going to ask the name from the user. So in this variable, I'm going to take the input from the user, and you can watch it in my previous video also. Probably in the I button, you can check that video link. Now from here, we are going to start our if statement. So if here is a keyword that will analyze the boolean expression from here. Let's say that boolean expression will be true. So in that condition, the program or the interpreter will go into the if statement and it will execute the print statement named as it's in. So here, if our condition that I'm going to print here, if that condition will be true, then only this print statement will get executed. Otherwise, this print statement will not get executed. Now, let's write the condition here, and here you can see that I have given the variable name that we have given in the program because we have created this program for a specific person, and then we are asking from the username, and after the asking username we are comparing it that whether the person and the user that is using it is the same or not. If that person is the same, then the program will get executed and we will give him a specific or top secret information. So let's run this program. As you can see, the program is asking for the name, and if I write here the same name that we have given in the program, and you can see we have got the top secret statement. But if I run it again and give a name that is not given in the program, so you can see it doesn't give me any sort of information, or it doesn't print the top secret statement. So let's suppose we want to tell the user that you are the wrong user. So here we are going to use else keyword. In this keyword, if this condition in the if statement get false, then it will not go into the indentation from of the int, and then it will just simply jump to the else part, and then it will print whatever into the else part. So you can see here we have a four spaces, blank spaces, and these four blank spaces make a indentation. So just don't forget it, otherwise you will get an indentation error. As if I remove these all four spaces, and now you can see we have got the indentation error because the print statement after the colon should be indented, otherwise it will give an error. Same thing goes with the else keyword also. So just print here you are not right person, and if I give here another name or different name from the program, then you can see we have hit the you are not right person. So this is about the if and else part. Now let's suppose we have two users that can access the same software or the same program, and now we have a different secrets for them. Now if Shan will open the software, then he should get the this top secret Shan. Now, if the Shan will access the software, then he will get the print statement from here, from the first if statement. But if Karthik access the software, then we should write here an keyword named as elif. The full form of it is, you can see that from el you can get the else part, and from if we have got the if part. So if we have multiple options for multiple users, then we can use elif keyword, and from here I will check the condition that whether the user is same or not. So here I will check name2, and you can see I am using here double equals here and here. So always remember, if you are going for the condition check, then you should always use sign of double equal. Or in the numeric values, if you are looking for greater than or less than, then you can simply use a single sign. Here do not use double sign. Or if you are going for greater than equal to, then you can use this sign. So currently we are comparing two strings here, so I'm going to use double equals to sign. After that, name2 should be equal or not, then I'm going to use here user input again, and then print here the secret for Kartik. So this is our complete code here. Now if I run this and if I give here name as Kartik, and you can see I just got only one statement, and that is secret for Kartik. Neither the Shan got printed out, neither the you are not right person printed out. So here we can see that if and elif and else keyword can be used to check the conditions. If the condition is true, then we will run the program, that is afterwards in the indentation, or we can print the statements out. So same condition can go for the passwords also. If the password is correct, then open his account, otherwise just do not open his account. If the pin is correct, then withdraw his money, otherwise don't. Now let's see a different example from here. Let's suppose you have a different list, and in this list you will get the marks for the exams. So let's suppose you have got these marks from those examinations, and this is it. Alright, now I want to check that. Let's add one more score, and that is 100. Now I want to check that I have got the 100 mark in any of the subjects or not. So I'm going to use if statement here, and I will just simply write here if 100 in list L, then print out congrats. Now run this program and you can see 100 is in the list here, and this condition got true here, that why we got the congrats. Otherwise it will not get the congrats. Let's remove the 100 from the list and then run it, and you can see we didn't get any of the string here. You can see we have got the alas. So you can give any of the boolean expression here. If I give here 5, if I give here 5 and then think what should we get as an output. I'm giving you time, so I hope you have guessed the right answer, and according to me the congrats will print it out. Now let's see what we'll get. You can see we have got the congrats. Why? Because if we check the boolean expression of 5, bool of 5, and if we print it out, then we will get the true value. You can see we have got the true value for bool 5. But if I write here 0, then it will become false. And if I get the false here, then I will hit the else keyword, and last will be printed out. And you can see we have got the false from the bool 0 and thus for the else part. I hope this video is useful for you. If you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't, and see you in the next one.